Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Adorable Kitchen. How are you doing? Today I bring to you a very local and rare recipe, ISIEWU Ngwongwo, also known as Nkwobi. So sit back and watch to the end to see how I made it. Make sure you have your palm wine by the side because this dish goes very well with palm wine. Here are all the list of the ingredients that we'll be using. I had everything set out here. I have my goat head already washed and cut into pieces. So we're going to be cooking it like this, and after that we can cut it further. I also have the goat head brain. So this is going to thicken the Nkwobi. So make sure you don't throw yours away. Keep it by the side. Also have ukpaka, that is oil bean, and it is optional. I washed it already. Also I have my Ngwongwo. You can also use akao or baking soda. Here I have some ehuru seed, seasoning cubes. I have 1 onion and 4 leaves of spinach. So we are going to be using the spinach and the onions to garnish the Nkwobi. And I also have otaze. This is otaze leaf, the dried one, some crayfish, some salt, and red palm oil, pepper. To start with cooking the goat's head. So first of all, I put it inside a pot, poured in some water, added some seasoning cubes and salt. Then for the goat's head brain, wrap it in a foil to make sure that water doesn't enter inside it. Then place it inside the pot, cover it and let it cook. So if you are using a pressure pot, you may need to cook it for about 20 to 30 minutes, and if you are not using a pressure pot, it might take longer. Let's say 45 to 1 hour. Here I prepped the vegetable that I'll use to garnish the Nkwobi. If you are slicing your onion, just make sure you give it this ring shape. That way it will look appetizing. So after 30 minutes, the goat's head was done. Ahead, I cooked my oil bean. So I like to cook it for about 10 minutes so that it will become soft and to help it season. Next is to cut the goat's head into small chunks. With a sharp knife, just debone, remove all the bones, and then you can cut it into small pieces. If you like bones, you can leave the bone also. Pour in the Ngwongwo. I like to dissolve it in water first because most times it has sediments that looks like stone and sands. So after mixing it in water, let it to sediment and then you use just the water. Next, pour in some palm oil. Using your spatula, mix everything together. Continue mixing for about 3 to 4 minutes until the oil curdles. Add in all the dry ingredients. I added the dried pepper, added the ehuru that I grinded, added some crayfish, and I added the otaze leaf. Mix everything together. Next thing is to add in the brain of the goat. So this is going to make this sauce to be thick. Adding in the brain, mix everything together. You see that it has become more thick now. After mixing everything together, add in the ukpaka. I cooked the ukpaka until the water dried out. Be sure to keep an eye on it because of burning. Next, just add in your meat and mix everything together again. Make sure you have your palm wine by the side, as I said earlier. So behold the end result. Look at how yummy, how appetizing it is. Let's dish some out and garnish it. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, make sure you do if you want to be seeing more of my cooking videos. And thank you so much, my old subscribers, for always coming back. Look at the end result. So amazing. Thank you so much and have a nice day. Bye.